All right, same spot, or same location, new spot. Because we can't race there. We have 2 X-Maxes. One of them's mine. We have a brand new Kraton V4 and some kind of Frankenstein thing over there on the far left. What are you driving again?
The Kraton.
Oh, it's a Kraton.
The Kraton.
Oh, it's 2 Kratons.
This is the track.
What's the track?
We're going to go down, around that hill,
Yep.
up the mount.
Through the trees.
Those trees.
Yep.
Around that mount.
And then back down again.
And then down. And then through that
First gap.
gap.
And then around there. And then what? Around through here?
And then around through those 2. These 2.
Oh, these 2. So just around that mound in the middle there.
That mound there.
Yeah.
And then home.
Where's home?
Home is stay in line with the fence. That way.
Home is in line with the fence. This is why we needed cones.
I can run and get it.
Oh, have you got them in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put a cone there.
Ah.
Come on. All right, here we go. First race of the season.
You can call it.
I can call it. We're going on 3 or 3 and go?
On 3.
On 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oi, there's a rock there. My X-Maxx is long gone. Round through the tree. And around the mound over here. Oh, come on, keep it steady. Tight turn around through here. And then home. And Vass takes the first win quite comfortably. I have enough time to pull over and have a coffee waiting for you.
Where's Chris?
Where is everybody? There's a second X-Maxx. And what happened to you?
Flipped.
Oh, you flipped. Alright, so 1-0. So, the same rules as before. Once you get 2 out of 3, we change tracks. Gotta wait for Captain Slow over there to get his car. Here he goes. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Through the tree. Oi, tumbles. Oh, this is too easy. X-Maxx is dominating. Nice and smooth and slow around through the bends and then take it home. That's 2. Super easy. X-Maxx 1 and 2.
Nah, he didn't even go through the
Oh, he didn't go through the gates. Ah, I was going to say.
Finish.
Where'd you go? The track's over here, bro.
Oh, he's already got the 3 metre head start.
Oh, all right, yeah. You can always creep forward too, you know.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Around the mound, come on. Oops. Where are these people going? Oh, come on. The other X-Maxx almost caught me. And that's win number 3. What'd you hit?
Big rock, yeah.
The car's like two hours old.
Carnage!
That Kraton V4, Chris has got, he bought that today. He came into my shop and I ripped him a new one when he bought it. Nah, I looked after him. I smiled.
That's good enough.
It's good enough. Oh, there's some rocks back there.
Ooh.
Oh, there's some booby traps back there.
Adds to be excited.
Throw him over the hill on the other side. Just throw him over the other side of the hill.
Now I end up there.
That's it. When you're ready. Maybe I should give you all a handicap. I've won 3 in a row now.
Chris is scared so he doesn't scratch his car.
Because it's new. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Oops. Oh, somebody forgot to cut. Oh, you got the self-riding, Bizzo. Oh, whoo. Oh, hey, there's a rock there. There's rocks everywhere around here. It's like landmines. Come on, get up there. Ooh, Kraton versus X-Maxx. The X-Maxx has got it. Hey, there's power!
X-Maxx won.
This is, I need to like go get myself a Timmy grasshopper just to give you guys a bit of a chance. Is that what needs to happen right now?
I don't know, ask Chris.
You guys are so rusty. So rusty.
We only got him going a few hours ago.
Alright. Well, that's 2. Should we go again? Yeah, we'll go one more. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, Kraton's putting up a fight this time. Out of the way, Dapey! Oh! Sorry to say, but yeah, you got hammered on that one. X-Maxx just plowed straight through you, bro. Is it alright?
Put it on the track!
You reckon he's expecting me to like swap insurance details and stuff? Oh, yours? What have you done?
Bearing.
Bearing?
Yeah.
It looks like you've done more than that. What have you done here? Oh yeah, you do have a bearing issue.
Yeah.
But you're also jammed up over here. Like your shock. Your shock is your shock shaft is a little bit buckled. But yeah, you got a bearing. So you're done.
Done.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Done. I just changed that bearing.
I think you need new hubs too, bro.
The hub's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, need a new hub.
Alright.
When are you going to take the intro?
Sunday. So I can hook you up with some parts, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, how's your car? Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let's make a new track. Alright, new track. Here we go. Oh, he's putting it on the track with a busted bearing and all. This will be fun.
Are you ready?
Alright, I'm ready. Hang on. Wait. Hang on. 1 sec. Okay, now I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Around here. Oh, drifty off. Hey, Kraton trying to friggin'. Hey, X-Maxx versus X-Maxx. Kraton trying to sabotage. Hey! Move, man. Oh no, I'm incapacitated.
Oh, you went to that through the tree.
What, you muff it? Alright, well, let's go back. Seems like everyone's bucketed that one up. Alright, so around here, around the mount, through the tree, around there, and then home. That's it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! No, stay upright! Ah, can't get it. What if I do the hold button thing? Would it do it then? No, no, I do it the other way. I can't get it up right.
Doesn't it have that button?
It does have the button, but it's a bit not good. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it, man. Alright, well, I lost that one. That was never going well. So who got that one?
Me.
Who? Oh, you did? Nice! Well done.
Ready?
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, go, 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 go! Oh! No! You're not supposed to jump that.
Even have a coffee, mate.
Woo! All right. Now Chris has got one. Okay.
Go again.
Anybody else? That's it, just us three? Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 3.
Oh no! Go forward! Sorry, false start from me, but that's okay. Oh, come on, come on. Oh! Oh! Not again! No! Will it do it? Will it do it from there? Oh, looks like the X-Maxx one. Yay, did it! I'm not having much luck here with this particular track. So who's won that?
Me.
You? Alright, well that's 2 out of 3. So I guess it's time to change again. Let's come up with another plan. Where is he? Why is his car going AWOL? What's going on? Oh, come on, come on, come on.
We're meant to go around the mound. You muffed it.
What? Which mound? I did go around the mound. Wasn't that it? Around which mound? Oh, around this mound.
Yeah, right around the mound.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, you got that one, cause.
Okay.
Yeah, you got that one. All right, so we gotta go around the big mound. All right. Let's see if you can get me again.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Woo! Back through here. Through the gap. And around the mound. Oh, there's jumps involved in this one.
Oh, that was a rock.
And we're home. We're home. Woohoo! Everybody all right?
Yeah. That message.
Oh, suspension's not looking great on that car. I reckon I've got a couple more runs left in this one, and then we'll have to change cars because I've only got 2 usable 4S batteries for that truck.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Chris, he's so hungry for the win. I can see it. Oh, he stuffed it. Come on, baby, bring it home. Yeah! I can hear your tummy rumbling, Chris. Oh, I got out of the way. I got out of the track so I wouldn't hit anyone. Oh, look at that wheel. Run it until it can't be run anymore.
Is that 2 for you?
That's is that, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I think I did win 2 on that one. So we come up with another track.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Yep. All right, we're doing the original track, so we got to go back through the trees here. Oh, come on, go! Turn, you big beluga whale. Let's go. Oh, yeah, come on. Don't tip over, don't you dare. Whoa! And this bad boy wins another one. Way! There we go. Oh. You can't win it, jump it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm definitely losing battery here. I can feel it. Nearly hit the tree. I skimmed it. No, don't take me out. X-Maxx's brothering. Oh no, where am I going? Oh, I've lost it. Ah, he's won it. He's won it. Whoop. He's won it. I haven't got much juice left. Oh my God, that car. Poor car.
I've got a bearing. You could have probably fixed it by now.
Nah, the hub.
Oh, I've got a hub too. Yeah.
Oh, it's through it.
But I need it. Oh, is it? Ready?
All right, when you're ready.
Right.
Don't miss the tree. Oh, I've got this one in the bag. If you can make that chicane through the tree, you've got it in the bag. All right, you got a flat battery? I think it's time for me to change cars as well because I can feel this one's dying. Woo! Oh! That's it. Dead. Man, that X-Maxx is dominating here tonight. All right, time to change cars.
1, 2, 3. An animal, man.
Oh no! Except when he flips over.
Oh no, you got it.
Hey!
Mounted ya. He mounted ya.
Oh no! Don't flip over, no! Oh, the other way! Chris just picked up a hitchhiker. We gotta go through here. Wait, we gotta go through here and then back around through the tree.
Oh no, Chris has got that. He's got it. Easy.
I was too busy flipping over. I gotta remember this thing can flip over if you go hard on the corners, especially on grass.
Alright, let's start again.
Alright, let's go
Who
again.
won that, Chris?
Yeah, Chris won that one.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Whee! Brake, brake, brake. Oh!
Carnage! Go, Chris! Yeah!
Oh, he bumped me into the bloody tree, you dog.
Whoa!
Carnage! Come on, come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. Oh man, this thing's all over the place. No, oh, he spun me around, you bastard.
Oh no!
No, oh, look at that on 2 wheels. Come on, baby. All right, I'm having some steering problems. If I'm gonna use this for racing, I may need the steering servo upgraded.
Nice track.
That's a good track.
That's that
Nice.
two for Chris, man.
All right,
Go.
Oh, you got a visitor.
Ready?
One more back.
let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Well, Harvey takes them all. Oh, get spun around again. Oh, this is sabotage. This isn't racing.
Nah, this is Carnage.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, getting knocked out again. Come on, Mojave, win one for the team. No, he's roll, tuck and roll. Oh, Carnage is not made for this. I mean, Mojave is not made for this.
Alright, it's 3.
3 for Chris.
First to 5.
3 in a row. That's good
Can't
track.
stand there.
Keep it.
Good in a bad spot.
Keep it.
3, no, he's won 1, he's won 2.
Nah. Chris is on all 3.
Oh, did you win all 3?
Yeah.
Oh, this is bullshit.
Yeah, he's on all 3.
Go again.
All right, same track?
Same.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Keep it
1,
going.
2, 3.
Oh, braking way too late, costing me way too much time. I am way out of it. Oh, up. Hi, oh. Bugger it, I'll just go around. Come on. Nice and wide. Cut in, come on. Come on. Oh, it's neck and neck with the Kraton. Turn around. I can't see the dust. Yes, Mojave's coming through. Come on, baby. You can do it. Easy on the turns. No, I'm out of juice. No, come on. Oh, yes, I'm through. Something happened there. Maybe I'm hitting thermal cutout or something. Woof, made it to that one. Boy! Woof! Jesus. All right. That rocket motor, the rocket motor is doing some damage. All right.
One more.
Let's go.
Yeah. Is this the last one? 1, 2, 3.
Come on. Oh, spun around again. Come on. Yes. Mojave comes through. Up over the tree. Come on. No, I got spun around again. Comes through. I went through around the tree. I got spun around twice, man. Give me a break. Qualified my eyes. You guys are trying to take me out. Pit maneuvers everywhere, every corner.
Didn't go through the trees.
Mate, that marshal's fired.
One for me, mate. One for me.
You can even replay it.
You'd have to replay.
Yeah. All right. Well, you're going to stand there?
Yeah.
All right, stand there. We're not going to go through there, so you'll be all right.
It's actually not a bad spot there. You know.
Maybe.
Oh my God, Chris going.
Oh, look where he's going. He's going to get the highest vantage point.
Here we go.
There we go.
Yeah, can't even watch.
Oh, I had that line, man. Oh, Mojave comes through, pushing up on the X-Maxx. Kraton trying to get me again. Spins me around. I'm through though, but I'm last. Up. Too wide. Come back down. There's still a chance. Yes, I take him. No, I'm cutting out. I'm out. I'm either thermal shutting down or something's going on because my truck is cutting out. Yeah, this Mojave is not made for this. I need a different setup. This is designed for bashing and not for racing. All right. I think the Mojave has proven that only with luck can it win.
2, 3.
Oh, look at that. 4S. Kraton just demolishing the competition. If I can keep it in a straight line and point it where I want it to go. No, I'm already stuck on the tree. Ah, come on, get through. Oh, yeah. There, lovebirds. Lovebirds are busy over there. I'll just go through here and part along. Conserve battery. Straight through there. Whoa, not too high. And wins it. Look at that. You see that, Chris? That's only 4S, man.
You're running 6.
Yeah.
He's running 6, but I'm on 4.
You serious?
It's already flat, mate. It goes from 4 then straight to 6 once you do one race.
From 6 to 4, you know.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo. Oh, come on, turn around. Okay, I'm having some issues with my steering. Something's wrong with my steering. I may have missed something in this car that I probably didn't notice before. Oh, come on.
all over the place. Yeah, these fucking tires, man. They're not...
The X-Maxx again. It's going to take it out.
Oh, come on.
Too good.
Yeah, I'm having some issues with my steering here. Something's going on.
Maybe more these ones. They're really bigger wheels.
It's working. Something's not right. I don't know. Maybe it's just my imagination.
Hey, let's change it up, man. I can't even see. Well, we'll do one more, but this is the last one. We've got to make it shorter.
All right, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, success taking me there. Come on, go up. Oh no! God damn it! Bloody Carnage races. No! Oh no!
Hey, you missed it.
You missed the turn! You missed the turn! Here we go. 4S versus 6S, both V4 Kratons. Hey, he takes me. He takes me.
Oh, we'll do one more.
Now he does one more.
Now you can see.
Oh, all of a sudden you can see, eh?
It's only because Chris muffed it, Dales. He would have
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because I
Oh,
thought
nah,
it's
Chris
the
would
short.
have taken it out.
short
Didn't
one.
he?
No, we're still going through the middle there afterwards.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oi! Oi! Jesus, Carnage! Where's my car? There it is. Oh, please have a white cover. Oh no! Oh! Still in one piece. Kraton's still alive. Oi!
Whoop, I can hear a noise.
Yeah,
Oh, I can hear a noise. Something's clicking. Woo! Oh, Chris takes it again. Man. Oh no, you've broken your servo. Did you break your servo? Yeah. Oh, strip it or something?
Or the front.
Oh, the arm.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just the
Here we go. Carnage, come on. Eep. Look at the bumper, bro. Oh no, it's just the bumper. You didn't break the arm, you broke the bumper.
Nah. Just the bumper trying to stop the whole thing.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's a good brake though. I think I got a spare one at the shop.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, he's done alright from a 1 meet tonight.
That's not bad. Only a bumper.
Let's see.
And you gave it hell. You gave it hell, so it's done well.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Diff?
Yep.
You've done some damage.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, good.
So we've had a diff issue with the X-Maxx by the end, but you were pounding this thing though. Yep. So to be
I've
fair,
never seen this thing get pounded like that before.
this old Kraton, is this one of the V1s?
Yeah.
So that's a V1 Kraton, so you blew a
V1.
bearing and got a bent shock shaft.
Yep. Easy fix.
That one, brand new. First day out today, survived fine.
And it's been out on every race, not changed.
Yeah, exactly. He's been out on every race, so he's done well. He's done very well. This one's good, but I'm having some steering issues with this one. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm going to have to investigate. I seem to be not turning left as much as I turn right. You can sort of see that here. Like it turns right really well. See how tight that is? But then to the left, you just don't do it. So something's up with this one. I'm going to have to investigate what's going on. I'm not hearing any clicking in the servos. Oh, fair enough. It's mounting. That was pretty much how the Outcast was born. Give you a bit of a replay, although it was done with a Python. But anyway, yeah, it turns left really well. But look at this white circle for right. That's not good. I'm gonna have to. Oh, geez, what are you trying to do? All right. I think we've done well. First time out in over a year. So we've done well. Gonna be back again here next week. insane. Look at the marks it's leaving on the concrete. Oh my god.